Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add sub-questions in Google Form. So basically, let's head over into an empty Google form right here, and inside, you then want to add your first option. So in my case, I'm going to add something like, do you like cars? The answer is going to be yes or no. From there, we then want to add another section. Now with this one, I'm going to follow up with my first question right here. What cars do you like? In here, I'm going to add a choice. In my second section, I'm going to add a question. And then once again, it's going to be something like Toyota or something like Mitsubishi. From there, I'm going to add my last section, and inside, once again, I'm going to add another question. And from here, I'm going to ask something like, do you like motorcycle? In here, yes and no. From there, we then want to go back to our first section and our first question, and inside, you then want to tap on the more options to your first question and section. Click on go to section based on answer. And from here, for our first answer, if you answer yes, it will then take you to the second section right here, which is what cars do you like? And if the individual don't like cars, it will then ask us about the motorcycles. So if we go ahead and click on the preview option, and if we choose no right here, it should take us into my third section, which is going to be motorcycle. And if we choose the first one, it will then take us what cars do we like. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.